Meaning of gleam.
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 Gleam. The word gleam refers to a soft or faint light, typically one that shines intermittently. It can also mean a brief or slight indication of something. This word is often used to describe the gentle shine of a reflective surface, such as a polished metal or glass surface. Gleam can also be used to describe a small amount of hope or happiness in an otherwise bleak situation. Overall, the term gleam is associated with a delicate and subtle form of brightness or positivity that is not overwhelming or intense.